Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The MACD's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 2.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil edged lower as the prospect of additional barrels from strategic reserves assuaged market concerns of a tight market heading into the winter season. West Texas Intermediate dropped as much as 2.4%. Japanese Finance Minister Shunichi Suzuki warned Japan would take appropriate and decisive action against excessive currency moves driven by speculators suggesting market intervention was possible after the yen fell to a fresh 32-year low. The EU's financial services chief has urged US politicians to draw up sweeping new rules to govern the crypto industry, warning digital assets could pose a threat to financial stability if left to grow unchecked.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Austrian HICP will be released at 0700 hours GMT, the Eurozone's construction output at 0900 hours GMT, Japan's imports at 2350 GMT. The US housing starts will be released at 1230 GMT, the US Fed's Beige Book at 1800 hours GMT, the UK's Consumer Price Index at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.